Controversy going on here. Got a bird stuck. All the ducks are just watching. What do we do here? Because we can't get to it, Si. It's tight, this. It's like watching someone be hung. They're drowned. Oh, what's it stuck on? Oh, it's fucked. This is tight, it's torture. Trying to save it. This is fucking... Fuck David Attenborough. Oh, he's got it! He's away, he's away. Fucking hell, look at that. Bang on. It's stuck still, fucked. It's fucked. It's fucked, man. Is he away? Oh no, he's not. Oh, Si, we're gonna have to ring RSPCA.